Hello friends, how are you? Today I will make a job for my friend request in SolidWorks. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to file and click new and click part and click OK. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the sketch, draw the rectangular here, select. Now select midpoint, control, origin point, coincident. Okay. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 50 and this line dimension 90. Okay. Select. Now I can zoom out. Okay. Now draw the circle here. Select. Give the circle dimension 12. Okay, this point and this line dimension 20. Okay, select. Now draw the center line here. Select. Make a center line. Okay. Now go to mirror, click here and about this line. Okay, select. Now go to trim. Okay, cut here. Select. Now go to fillet tools. Click here and here. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. I can extrude 15. Okay, select. Now go to this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool. Draw the rectangular, center rectangular here. Select. Now give the dimension. This line 17 and this line dimension 10. Okay, select. Now go to exit. Now go to right plane and reference plane after 20 flip. Okay. Now this plane and sketch. Now draw the again rectangular, corner rectangular. Click here and here. Select. Now go to exit and go to lofted card. Click here and here. Go to normal tool. Now move here. Select. Okay. Okay. No need this plane. I can this plane height. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool. Draw the center rectangular here. Select. Now give the dimension. This line dimension 20. Okay. This line dimension 30. Okay. Now this point and this point dimension 10. Okay, select. Now select midpoint, control this point, horizontal. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. I can extrude 10. Okay, select. Now this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool and draw the line here and here and here and here. Select. Now this point and this point distance 1. Okay, select. Now go to feature and extrude cut. We can extrude through all. Okay. Now go to top plane and sketch and draw the circle here. Select. Now give the circle dimension 3. Okay, and this point dimension 35. Okay, and this point dimension 10. Okay, select. Now go to feature and extrude cut. We need surface face, this plane, click, and we need 3. Okay, 3 or 10 as well as. Okay, now go to right plane and go to front plane and mirror, click, extrude cut. Okay, now go to this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool, draw the circle here, select. Now give the dimension circle 3. Okay, this point and this line dimension 6 and 6. Select. Now select midpoint, control this point horizontal. Okay, now draw the another circle here and give the dimension. No need dimension, you can equal this circle, control this circle, equal. Okay, this point or this point distance 20. Okay, select. Now this point, control this point horizontal. Okay, now go to feature and extrude cut. I can extrude through all. Okay, select. Now go to this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool and draw the line here and here and here. Select. Now this line. Okay, now this line and this point dimension 10 and this line dimension 20. Okay, select. Now combine this line and this line and this line. Okay, now go to trim tools, cut here and here. Select. Now draw the center line here. Select. Make center line. Now go to mirror. This line, this line, this line, this line, this line. Select. About this line. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude cut. I can extrude 10. Okay. Now go to fillet. This line fillet 8. Okay. Select. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool, draw the circle here, give the dimension circle 3, and this point dimension 53. Okay, select. Now go to feature and extrude cut. I can extrude through all. Okay, through all. Now go to this plane and sketch and go to normal tool, draw the circle here to origin, select, give the dimension 6. Okay, and this point and this line dimension 60. Okay, select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Okay, now go to feature and extrude curve. I can extrude curve through all. Okay, now this plane sketch, go to normal tool and draw the center line here and here. Select this line center, make this line center, make this line dimension 12. Select this line, control this line equal. Okay, now we can use Hulu wizard. Go to exit and we use Hulu wizard. Now we select here, we select part small size and position click and 3D sketch click and click here and here. We can deep 3. Okay, select. We deep 3. We can change your deep as well as we can change deep as well as now I can 6 as well as you can change. Okay, now you can center line height. Okay, now go to front plane and mirror. We click here and here. Okay, okay, make our job. Now we can use shaded tools and go to isometric view and color use. Color is here. Okay, select. Now we can this face color change. Yes, I can use white. Okay, go to isometric view, make our job. Thank you all, everybody share and like. If have any question in any ask, you can write comment box.